Happy me on the back of a moto in Sosua. I didn't really vlog much of my landing in Puerto Plata, but I basically caught a cab over to the neighboring town of Sosua, where the next day I caught this bus to Santo Domingo.
Hola, welcome to Santo Domingo. After a long 5+ hour bus ride from Sosua, finally made it. Didn't vlog much at Sosua because there was not really much to see, to be honest with you. Bus was actually pretty good for about 500 Dominican pesos, which is about just over 10 bucks, 12 bucks Canadian. Pretty good quality bus. It took forever to even get to the halfway point just because it did so many stops. It's one of those where it just stops in every little village on the way. I don't have much planned for today. I don't even have much planned for Santo Domingo. I'm staying in the Zona Colonial because everything's walkable there. Like this one was only about 3-minute walk from my hostel. So let's go climb. Buenas noches.